Hi, today let's make quick and easy egg masala in just 10 minutes. Heat a pan, add in oil. Once the oil is heated, add in some mustard seeds. When it splutters, add in curry leaves. Then add in some chopped garlic, chopped onions. Mix it well till the onion turns slightly brown and mushy. Then add in some ginger garlic paste. Once the raw smell goes, add in some tomato puree and add in some basic spices like turmeric powder, Kashmiri chili powder, cumin powder, coriander powder and garam masala powder. Mix it very well till the oil separates. Once the oil has separated in, now the oil is separated in, I'm adding in some salt to taste and then add in some hot water for the gravy. Give it a good mix. When the gravy starts boiling in, add in some kasuri methi. This gives a great flavor to the gravy. Then I'm adding in some, placing the boiled eggs. Now I've cut the boiled eggs 1/2 and then place it, coat the egg beautifully with the gravy and then finally garnish it with some fresh coriander leaves and your tasty egg masala is ready to serve with rice, naan, chapati and roti. If you like my recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Enjoy.